Hello everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today. This is Anandita and I'm back here with another reading for you, and I'll be telling you the blessings coming your way. So I've made 3 piles here. It's a pick a card reading. Pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. You just need to choose your pile. Please remember that this is a general reading, and whatever resonates with you, please take that, and please leave whatever doesn't, because everything may not resonate with your situation completely. So I'll see you at your pile. Let's start with pile number 1. Let's see what's in store for people who've chosen pile number 1. So, blessings coming your way. Pile number 1. So I see you meeting your old friends, pile number 1. Also, I see whatever has been stagnant, whatever has not been moving, all those temporary phases that have been, entering off and on your life, things that were put on hold, maybe by you or just because of time or destiny. A lot of those things are going to start moving ahead. I see a lot of determination coming your way and a lot of focus, the fire element that was lacking. You've been ignoring a lot of things, and you didn't really want to pay attention to, really, or I should say you were not paying your focus to a lot of things which actually demanded attention. So this is the right time, be it relationships or be it your work, career, anything that has been lacking. Everything is coming under control. And like I said, for a lot of you, meeting old friends, reunion is on the cards. Relationships that were, not really moving or stuck. You were trying to meet your partner, but were not being able to meet them. Everything is getting back on track. Things are happening the way you want them to happen, and there's a lot of determination, fire, focus in your life. A lot of you who were wanting fame or who were wanting to get recognized, this is the right time. If your rewards were not being, if you were not getting rewards, or if there was a situation where your hard work wasn't really getting recognized, this is the right time for you. These blessings, they are coming in the form of blessings. This kind of a time wherein everything is coming into control. And the Moonology cards also tell you that this is the time to take action. So a lot of things that were pending, a lot of things that you had just put on the side, this is the right time for you to get your focus back on them. Right time to aim for success. Determination is definitely on the cards. So there's a lot of happiness and a lot of new beginnings coming for a lot of you. The miracle cards are confirming that. Also, you need to just understand that, happiness, or when I say a lot of happiness is coming, it's not just about materialistic happiness or something to do with relationships or something. There's a lot of spiritual happiness that's coming your way. So the cards definitely suggest you to look deep within, connect to yourself. Things you had put on hold, try and ask yourself why you were shunning away from these things, because this is the right time for you to take action and solve these things, or put your focus in these things. Also, a lot of you need to do some charity. So this is a wonderful time, and this charity will act like a blessing for you in the long run. It's going to improve your karma. So that's what the cards are telling you. Pile number 1, things are definitely happening the way you want them to. Things are coming under control. All the stagnancy, all the blockages that you had created yourself are now settling off, and good time for fame. A lot of you who were stuck in relationships is, things are getting better, meeting your friends, I've already said that. So all these blessings that are coming, you need to just create a good karma for your future also. So please do simple forms of charity, whatever is convenient for you. So that was for pile number 1. People who've chosen pile number 2. Alright, people who've chosen pile number 2. Firstly, the cards are telling you that this is a time wherein your intuitions or your own gut feeling, something that comes to you, is very strong. So that's something which I will say as a blessing, because you know that whatever you think for yourself is the best, and things are going to be under control. But don't try to dominate others, because domination or controlling people will just land you in a mess rather than helping you out. Because since you have this power of listening to your intuition, don't rub it the wrong way. Don't let this create a wrong ego or a sense of pride in you, because that will just not be a great situation for you then. Whatever confusions were there on your mind, people who have chosen pile number 2, whatever confusions were there, I see them clearing off. Your head seems to make the right choices, and something that's very just for you. You will be weighing the pros and cons very well, and you'll be able to balance out the good and the positive, negative, whatever it was. It's definitely a wonderful time for you to clear your mind. A lot of people who were feeling dominated by others, maybe in work, maybe in career, relationships that were just not really working out for you, but you were feeling that the other party was dominating you, or you were feeling a little timid. This is a wonderful time for you to bloom and rise and shine. No longer I see you dwelling that or having self-pity on yourself, but rather this relationship will now work the way you want to. If you want to be out of the relationship, it's a wonderful time for you. Whatever you want to do with it will prevail. It's going to be according to your happiness. So that's a wonderful thing. It's a wonderful blessing. Also, things that were stuck, or for the people who faced some kind of betrayal or some dishonesty from some partner or somebody in their careers or relationships. Now it's the time for you to make a new choice. A new choice is coming your way, especially for people who were stuck in relationships. This is a new beginning, a new choice is coming your way. So don't let your past hold you, and everything is going to be in your favor. You will be able to do the things the way you want them to. You will make your own plans, you will execute them very well. Somehow the stage will be set for you, and you will just have to do your bit. Also, again, I'm saying that people who were stuck in relationships, like I'm saying, you are getting a new choice. Maybe it's in this particular relationship only. You will be able to weigh the pros and cons well, but make sure that you don't just rush into ending anything so soon, or just closing your eyes to some negative things that you see. Make your choices very well and weigh the pros and cons, contemplate well. Your commitment is being tested, so let this time of testing be planned the way it has been by the Almighty. But be rest assured that this is the positive. The outcome that you choose will definitely be positive for you, and things are going to be in your control. Negative planetary influences will be warded off very soon, and your hard work should be consistent. So even if you've not been getting results in the past, and I've already said that for a lot of you things have been stagnant, or if you were facing some kind of dominance, please remember that your hard work should be consistent. Rest, the results will be in your favor. Also, anything that was negative, that was pulling you down or that was stopping your growth, is now just going to be warded off. This is a wonderful time for the negativity to go away. I'm again repeating, people who've chosen pile number 2, you yourself also should not indulge in any kind of unnecessary control on others. Even if you feel that this is a wonderful time and things have just become 360-degree changed, you just feel that, oh wow, things have just happened the way I had planned them, and I'm in this position of power. Please do not use your control or domination on others. Do not rub your ego the other way. Things will just take a wrong turn. If things are happening in your favor, let them happen in, for your favor, but without disturbing the others around you, without being a negative influence on the others. I see a lot of new opportunities coming your way. Things that were blocked are definitely, getting their share now, and you'll be able to bloom, especially relationships. People who are stuck in career or finances, it's a wonderful time for you. This is the, if you are watching this reading at this time, because these are timeless readings, if this has come in front of you at this point in time, then definitely this is a wonderful time for you to start with new financial beginnings or new career prospects, opportunities, work, anything that is on your mind. People who want to do anything in their higher education, this is a wonderful time for you to start off with that. And I see whatever stress or blockage that you were facing in the past, or if you, again I'm saying, have faced any kind of betrayal or dishonesty, everything is now, it's past. This is a time of contentment. Whatever comes your way will bring you a lot of contentment and satisfaction. Finances, I have already said that yes, things are going to work. People who have again faced, some kind of difficulty in finances, or you haven't got the results for your hard work, now is the time that your hard work will pay off, or you will be recognized. So in general, it's a wonderful time. Please listen to your intuition. Please listen to your gut feeling. It's extremely strong at this time. People who've chosen pile number 2. This was your reading. These are the blessings coming your way. Pile number 2. I hope it was beneficial and it was resonant with your current situation. Let's see what we have for pile number 3. So pile number 3, firstly, if there is some kind of quarrel, argument or confusion going on at your end, at any front, it has been happening, or things are not very happy for you, or if you feel that you have just avoided these negative situations but they are still there in the background, you're not putting your, you're not going near them, but they are in the background going ahead, it's all right, let them be. Your new, or I should say positive time is on the cards. So all those negative things that were going on, all those fightings, confusions, some kind of a backbiting that was taking place is now, going away. And firstly, I see a lot of contentment and a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment that you will be feeling, which itself is a wonderful feeling. Yes, contentment, again, the 9 of Cups is definitely confirming me that a lot of contentment is going to be coming to you. Like, you're going to feel that, yes, I'm content with whatever I have. Women, it's a wonderful time for you. Anything that you wished for, if you've chosen pile number 3, you will see that coming through. It's a wonderful blend of all the cards in the deck, and the cards are definitely confirming that it's a win-win situation on all fronts. And I've already said a feeling of accomplishment and satisfaction is there, so that itself confirms that it's a happy situation on all fronts. People who were feeling, again, things were not moving for you, especially on the financial front, things are going to just take a turn. Things are going to become the way you want them to. Just surrender to the Almighty. Just leave everything. You've done your bit. And also, I've seen in the past, you've gone through your own bit of hassles, a lot of trouble. So now it's the time for these things to finish. 18 days from now, for a lot of you people, you'll see how positive things start taking your life, start coming in your life. Reunion, celebration is definitely on the cards. I see you meeting your friends. I see you, enjoying. New positive beginnings are there. It's a time to be hopeful. Ask the Almighty, ask the higher self whatever you wish for, and things, you see how things are getting, turned into reality. Let's see what we have on the relationship front. Wonderful time for relationships. They are here to bloom. They are here to stay. This is a wonderful time for you to enjoy this phase of your relationships with your family, friends, partners, anybody. It could be with anybody. Women, again, I'm saying it's a wonderful time. People who are planning a family or want to conceive, this is a beautiful time. You will be hearing a good news soon, or you could start planning a family, if you had that little slight element of whether or whether not to. This is a wonderful time for you. Your hard work is paying off, and whatever was due to you is coming your way. Whatever you've been waiting for, finances, materialistic, shopping, anything that you've been postponing or you haven't been really indulging in from the last few whatever past few months, weeks, this is a wonderful time. You could just go there, do your extra bit, things that you've been wanting to buy. Also, people who've had, like I've already said, that in your past I see that there has been a little bit of turmoil and problem. Maybe there was a third party situation in a lot of relationships in the past, so those things are definitely coming to an end. And I see a lot of you have guarded yourself because of your past problems or past relationships. So you've been just on guard, that now you're a little scared, or you have a fear of the unknown. So let me assure you that a 360-degree change is definitely on the cards, and it's a beautiful positive change. Let's see what the Moonology cards say. That you need to release your pent up emotions or those feeling of anxiety or stress which is coming from a past situation. Unless you release that, these blessings can't enter your life. So that's very important. Just forget about all that, whatever's gone, whatever's happened. Stay away from negative people, stay away from gossip, stay away from anybody who talks ill about others. You can definitely pursue your dreams, but you need to affirm your positive affirmations first, because like I've said, there are a lot of things that have had happened in the past have just made you very on guard, or you're not letting you don't want to open your wings to fly. You've become timid, you've gone back to your shell. So it's very important for you to release these things, forget the past. Maybe you could indulge in some kind of positive affirmations that the cards are saying, because your dreams are definitely coming true. And just leave everything to the Almighty. That's what the final blessing or the guidance that I should say. Everything will come to you. Life is going to be very balanced now, and it's going to be a complete balance of the yin and yang. So you don't have to worry on any aspect. New beginnings on any front, and a lot of contentment. Like I had already said, that contentment, accomplishment, satisfaction, perfection, a lot of those things are in store for you. People who've chosen pile number 3, so forget your past. It's a beautiful time on all fronts. So I hope the reading was resonant and it helps you. Please remember that these are all timeless readings. So anytime this reading comes in front of you, it's meant for you. I'll be coming back with more such readings. And also please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be signing off now. Thank you so much.